you need to be quick to do this. Boom, boom, and boom. No water here, and we are ready to take out all the flour. Voila. Boom. Welcome to the best pizza channel.
Tá a posto.
Nice.
Nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth. Hello, welcome guys. I didn't know there was recording.
Don't touch my head, please.
How are you guys? From my studio Iacopelli, and welcome back to my channel.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
So serious, this guy.
Excited.
We need to be happy. We need to enjoy our life.
No,
welcome, guys, from my studio
I'm a
Iacopelli.
professional scientist.
Leave a thumbs up. Thank you. We have Francesco Lucchese. Make sure check him out on Instagram. Francesco Lucchese?
Yeah.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
Yes.
The sunglasses are only.
He's here today with me. I mean, I probably.
To hold my hair, you know.
If you've been following me, probably you know he was in some of my video in Los Angeles. He came with me in Los Angeles to work a little bit together, and now we are back in Bari together again. Here today.
Action!
Action. Today we are making something new. He's a scientific guy. Basically, he likes to test things, and so he basically called me, say, Vito, why we don't do a video about Biga and Polish, and then we combine it together and we make a pizza 100% with Polish and Biga.
Yeah.
Giusto?
Yeah.
Today we are going to combine and see for the first time ever 25 years plus of making pizza. This is my first time doing these experiments. So today me and Francesco, we are going to show you the perfect recipe. Actually, we're going to show for us too, because we never see how a pizza will come out with a Biga and Polish together. So let's see, let's make this recipe. Giusto in Polish. Let's talk a little bit also in Italian. Ciao amici, oggi qui con Francesco Lucchese da Bari. No, ora parliamo in italiano.
Yeah.
Yes. Oggi andiamo a fare un esperimento sulla pizza. Lui è uno scienziato di queste cose, gli piace sempre provare e cose. Mi ha chiamato e ha detto, Vito, perché non proviamo a fare la Biga e il Polish insieme? 100%. Guys, 100% Polish, 100% Biga, we're going to do it. Now, together, let's go. Okay guys, so here we have the book and the pen, so make sure you write down this recipe because it's unique. Okay guys, so we have 24 grams of water with 12 grams of salt. We melt it together in the water. We melt the salt in the water, and then we have easily 500 grams of Polish and 500 grams of Biga. Make sure if you want to learn those two, check out my channel. I have everything in there. The oven is warming up, and now we are ready to go ahead and do the recipe. That's it. Let's get the Biga. Now we're gonna cut the Biga in little pieces this way. Remember, the Biga is a little hard to make it by hands, but today we're gonna make it by hands. So to be able to melt the Biga, we're gonna break it in little pieces. Passami la coppetta in the cup. Voila. The container, just like that. This way, I repeat, is gonna be easy to melt it. Now let's get the water with the salt, and let's dump it in the Biga. Voila. Make sure all the salt needs to be everything inside. Done. Now the Polish. Little by little, vai. And now we start. The magic is gonna happen in a little bit. The magic is going to happen. Wait one sec. So basically now it's gonna get everything together. It's gonna be really difficult because high hydration dough by hands is very difficult, but everything is possible. And today in this video the goal is to teach you. So make sure you follow this step. We mix everything until it's all integrated and you don't see the square anymore. Francesco got tired, so I got into this. basically, see the air, and basically when is everything together just like that, I tell you a little secret. To make, when the dough is really sticky, it's easy. Just let it rest for about 15 minutes, just like that, no cover, nothing, because when it's sticky like that, it's basically it's too wet. But it's a secret to make it nice and smooth. The secret is let it rest for 15 minutes at room temperature, just like that. Okay, I'll see you in 15 minutes. 15, 1-5. Here you go. After 15, we wait exactly 20 minutes. Like you can see now, it's nice and strong. So now we're gonna put it on the counter, and Francesco is gonna show you what to do, because we don't wanna mix again the dough. We wanna make it fold. It's a folding process that we're gonna do. And then, so now here we're gonna show you how to do this process. Check it out. So you have to fold it. We have to use a little bit of flour, right?
No, olio. Ce l'hai? C'è un po' di
Olio.
Sì, sulle mani.
No flour, olive oil. Yes, right there.
Tutto un pochino attorno.
So, little bit of olive oil on top of your hands, and then tap it, tap it, tap it. And now basically, we need to do this. We have to make the folding process, just like that. And when it's nice and smooth, the dough, it's ready.
Top. Questo come si è rinforzato?
This is probably 80% of hydration. 80% ce l'abbiamo qua,
75.
Secondo me,
Ma io calcolo preciso.
75% of hydration. There we go.
Lo lascio riposare un altro po' così.
Now we let it rest a little bit more time, because you see it's breaking a little bit. Wait about 15 minutes and then we go again. We just put a little bit of olive oil on top, and now we do the second time. Same thing. Now this time he's gonna do it. Bye. Little bit of olive oil on your hands. This is when you do high hydration dough. Like you can see, one, couple of times, two, always folding. And this way you are going to make the gluten nice and strong, and you're going to incorporate the air inside the dough. Pardon. Voila. So now let's let it rest one more time, 15 minutes. The third time and the last time. Tap, tap, tap. And now let's go ahead and let's do it again. One shot. You need to be quick to do this. Boom, boom, and boom, and done. Let's get all the dough. Voila. Like you can see now, it's nice and strong. So let's let it rest one more time, and then we are ready to do the balls. Let's wait 15 minutes. Okay guys, now we are ready to make the balls. Like you can see, it's a little bit complicated, this dough, because the genius of Francesco decided to make it a high hydration. But of course, you can also make it with low hydration. But to be able to make the pizza nice and puffy, this is actually Biga. This is actually Biga. Nice and puffy, we have to make high hydration, because the water, when it touches the hot temperature, water evaporates. So what happened? The pizza, the more water inside, the more air we're going to find inside the pizza. So we have to make the dough, the balls.
Yeah.
Little bit complicated, but we're going to make it. So here we're probably gonna make 3 balls.
Metti un
So
giro di olio.
what we're gonna do is put a little bit of olive oil on your hands and tap. So here we need to be really fast to make the balls. Little bit.
A triangolo. Yes.
1, 2, and 3. So pay attention how we do it. Of course you can scale it. The dough balls needs to be the same thing how we make the mixing part that we did the 3 times. So that's what we do. We have to do it really fast. We cannot do it easily. So what I like to do here, you can also do this. Take a look. To make it easy, what I like to do is to put a little bit of flour. Take a look at this, little bit of flour on the floor, then get the dough, then just flip it over on top right there. Then try to close it, just like that. See? What happened? It gets a little bit more easy to do. Then you close it and then flip it over, a little bit of flour on top inside the container and then dump it inside there. Then done. So let's do one more time. Flip it over right there. Now we need to close it just like that. Because now the gluten is nice and strong. Flip it over, boom, 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 in the container. We put it in the container. Done. Now we wait 1 hour to 2 hours, depends on the room temperature. Probably because we put Biga and Polish together, maybe in 1 hour it's gonna be ready.
I think so.
So of course,
I think so.
I think yes.
I think yes.
Of course now we have to close it with the lid. Done. I'll see you in 1 hour. Okay guys, and welcome back. Vieni qua, vieni, welcome, buongiorno. Guys, there we go. The dough is nicely and ready. Of course we're missing one because we used one we tested before to make sure that the dough was great at the point of fermentation. We wait about 2 hours. Right now the temperature is about 80 Fahrenheit. So now we are ready to go ahead and show you the magic. Pay attention because this is how we stretch. I'm gonna show you how to stretch the pizza, because this is the most important step, how to take out the dough from the box. Here we are using semolina, so make sure you have a little bit of flour. Okay, so now get a little bit of flour and rub it, and one shot, flip it over very gently in the flour. There we go. Scusa Francesco.
Bye-bye.
There we go. So now, gently, you have to get it and flip it over again. So now we want to stretch. So you're just gonna press because this dough is really, really soft. That's it. Now make sure there's no air, no water here, and we are ready to take out all the flour. Voila, boom. The dough is ready. Man, this is gonna get puff. I'm gonna make just a simple, quick margherita because this video is about the dough. It's about the Polish and Biga together. Gonna put a little bit of basil. Voila, just a simple, quick margherita. Wow, smells good this basil. And then gonna put nice mozzarella. Boom, pizza going in the oven. Make sure to put a little bit of flour right there. Okay, now let's go in the oven. Oh, voila, this you guys need to be quick on this. Of course the shape is not gonna be perfect. Boom, one shot. We give it a little check on the bottom. Pizza is good. Wow, pizza is growing. Outside. Pizza is ready. And here we go, guys. The pizza is nicely done. Wow. Oh my god. Let's take a close look. Oh, good, eh? Nice and soft. Let's get the scissor and let's get it inside of this crust. And now is the time of the truth. Let's go ahead and let's cut the pizza. This is air, Francesco. Air. I want to show you from this side. Take a look at this side. Let me show you. Let me show you, guys. So soft. So take a look how soft it is. Air. Let's take a look more closely. Andiamo a vedere qua dentro che cosa c'è. Wow. Take a look. All air. C'è il dettaglio
Questa
qui.
di struttura che c'ha però. Bisogna solo aspettare un po' di più, vi. A questo. Buone.
It's time that Francesco is gonna make his own pizza margherita. But in the meantime, Francesco, go for and let's taste this pizza. Wow.
Insomma, cazzo è soft.
It come out, 25 years eating pizza. This is probably the first time that I tasted like that.
Davvero?
Tastes a little bit different, huh? It tastes good, but it's different from a pizza. It doesn't taste like pizza. It doesn't taste like pizza. Wow. Bye, Francesco. Your turn, Francesco. I'm gonna keep this one here. I'm gonna eat in the meantime, and Francesco is gonna show you how to make the pizza. Well, this one was very challenging. Even Francesco got a little bit difficult because the pizza was very soft. So I had to jump in 1 second. Guys, you need to understand that the pizza, when it's soft, la pala? When the pizza is soft, you need to make the pizza very small. You make it very small, and then you make a little bit larger when it's on the peel, because it's very hard. When you make it too big, it's very easy that the pizza is gonna rip. So, done. Voila. So, like you can see, the pizza is very fragrant and very soft in the same time. This is very fragrant. Of course, don't pay attention on the shape, because when the dough is too soft, it's very hard to make it. When you make it big, it's very hard, because that's when it got difficult. Oh, that's when it got difficult, because he made it he stretched it too much, so he put it on the peel, and the pizza was already thin, so it's very hard to manage it. That's why you make it small, and then you make it large a little bit. Giusto, Francesco? Vai, taglia, let's eat it. Wow. But Francesco, he got some new things that he's gonna show us. This experience was good, very challenging. Veramente è stata molto difficile da fare, Wow, so hot. And okay guys, you need to turn off this oven. Nothing guys. Io, a te il pezzo più grande.
No,
now I just
grande.
eat it raw. Nice structure of the pizza. This was our experiment of Biga and Polish together, mix it up together, and this is what it come out. Now it's your turn to leave a nice thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget
Leave a thumbs up.
to share.
Share and leave a thumbs up.
To share, guys, because we're gonna reach 1 million subscribers very soon. Yes, thanks to you.
Bro, you see the structure?
Yeah, it's amazing, guys. So I'll see you maybe soon with a new invention.
Yeah.
Yes, comment below what you would like to see, what you would like to think, what you think that is impossible. Comment below, and then we will make it possible. Thank you so much for Maestro Iacopelli and
Francesco Lucchese.
Francesco Lucchese.
Francesco Lucchese. Non mi
Easy.
fa parlare.
He's eating,
Oh, mangio.
and I'll see you soon. This is my lucky day. Ciao a tutti.